Hi, welcome to my channel. This is a video of me unboxing Razer Seiren X microphone that I've purchased recently. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, the first thing that you see is the Razer Seiren X microphone. Okay, this is the quick start guide from Razer. The next item will be the desk stand with anti-slip foam underneath it. What next is the micro USB to USB cable. I believe it's a 1 meter to 1.5 meters long, and it should be a breathable cable, and it's also feel very high quality and durable. Lastly, this is the support rod. This is how Razer Seiren X looks like. There's the volume knobs for the headset and the mute button. This is the logo of the Razer, and this is the bottom of the Razer Seiren X, where there is a micro USB port and a 3.5mm headphone port. First, tighten the support rod onto the threaded portion of the desk stand base. Rotate the Razer Seiren X onto the threaded portion of the support rod until it's securely fastened. And this is how it looks like. The Razer Seiren X has a mixture of plastic and metal build, but overall is a good quality build. The recording for this video is recorded by Razer Seiren X, which sounds pretty good for its price range. Comment below on what you think of the recording. Thank you for watching. If you like more video like this, please subscribe, like, share and comment.